Hey, Busy Bees. Today we are back with another book. And the title of our book is the My Word School series, Book 6, Mr. Hynde is Out of His Mind by Dan Gutman. So today we are starting a new book. Since we finished book 5, Miss Small is Off the Wall. But before we get into our chapter of the day, we're going to get into our riddle of the day. And the riddle of the day is, we come in a set, we can dash or pour. If we're too much, the serving is ruined. If we're held back, the course is flat. What are we? And I'll say it again. We come in a set, we can dash or pour. If we're too much, the serving is ruined. If we're held back, the course is flat. What are we? And I'll give you the answer to our riddle at the end of our chapter. So let's pop open the book and fly through this adventure together. So going into the pages, Mr. Hynde is out of his mind. Looking at the table of contents. Ooh, boring, snoring, Mr. Loring. That's already interesting. And we have 11 chapters just like the last book. Let's go into our main characters. We have our AJ, Emily, Ryan, Michael, and Andrea. Okay. All right. Chapter 1. Boring, snoring, Mr. Loring. My name is AJ, and I hate school. I hate reading. I hate writing. I hate arithmetic. But there's one horrible subject that I really hate more than anything else. Music. Music is so dumb. Music is the most boring subject in the history of the world. Why do we need music class in school anyway? It's not like I'm going to grow up to be a singer. When I grow up, I'm going to be a professional dirt bike racer. In first grade last year, the music teacher, Mr. Loring, made us sing all these totally corny songs from prehistoric times, like Row, Row, Row Your Boat, and Michael rowed the boat ashore. Mr. Loring loves boats, I guess. He's weird. He's about 1,100,000 years old, and he has long gray hair. Mr. Loring told us that when he was a kid back in the last century, TV wasn't even invented yet. Can you imagine living in a world without TV? It must have been horrible. I would die if I didn't have TV. Mr. Loring's favorite song for us to sing was Who Stole the Cookie from the Cookie Jar? You know the song. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? AJ stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Couldn't be. Then who? Ryan stole the cookie from the cookie jar. I used to like that song, but Mr. Loring made us sing it so many times that I never wanted to eat another cookie for the rest of my life. Mr. Loring's other favorite song was Five Little Monkeys Jumping on the Bed. That song got really old too. If any monkeys ever jumped on my bed, I would sell the bed. That's disgusting. I don't even like it when my sister jumps on my bed. Forget about monkeys. Everybody line up, said my teacher, Miss Daisy, after we finished pledging the allegiance. Line up for what? We all asked. It's time to go to music, Miss Daisy said. Yippee, said Andrea Young, this really annoying girl with curly brown hair. Boo, said just about everybody else. Nobody except Andrea and her friend Emily wanted to go see boring, snoring Mr. Loring. Andrea loves everything about school. She even loves homework. One day, Andrea asked Miss Daisy if we could have more homework. Can you imagine asking your teacher to give you more homework? Andrea is weird. And that is the end of our chapter for today. So we have our introduction of AJ, who of course hates everything, and he is our main character. We are now learning about a new teacher, boring, snoring Mr. Loring, who is the music teacher. So I'm curious to see what happens in this story. So let's get into our riddle of the day. So our riddle of the day was, we come in a set, we can dash or pour. If we're too much, the serving is ruined. If we're held back, the course is flat. What are we? And the answer is, drum roll please, salt and pepper. Did you get it? With salt and pepper, if you add too much, you ruined your food, right? Because it's just salty and peppery. But if you don't put enough, then it just tastes bland. And of course, it's all up to your preference and what you like. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you'd like to follow along for more adventures, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you on the next one.